So hello everyone. What if I told you that you could have a fully working AI chatbot live on your website in the next 30 minutes? No computer science degree, no expensive tools, no prior coding experience needed. Hello, I'm Shalini from Shuffle Technology, and today I'm going to walk you through building a real AI chatbot from scratch, step by step in real time. This chatbot will be able to answer questions, hold a conversation, and you can embed it in on any website you want. So before we write any code, let me show you exactly what we are building. So this is a clean minimal AI chatbot widget that sits in the bottom right corner of any web page. So when a user types a message, it sends, it gets an intelligent response in real time. So the chatbot is fully customizable, color, name, personality, and behavior, everything can be tailored to your brand. Under the hood, it's powered by OpenAI GPT technology, the same AI behind ChatGPT, but connected securely through a lightweight backend built with the Node.js and Express. So the front end is just three simple files, one HTML, one CSS, and one JavaScript file, and the backend is a small Express server that safely handles the AI request. So before we write any JavaScript or connect any backend, we need a structure, and that's exactly what this HTML file provides. This single file defines the entire layout of our chatbot. So first we start with standard HTML document, the head section, sets the entire encoding, the page title, and link our CSS file, which controls everything looks. So inside the body, the first element is this button. So chat with us. This is the loading button. User clicks to open the chatbot. In real website, this is usually fixed at the bottom right corner, as you can see here. Next, we have main chatbot container. This displays the chatbot name, the Shuffle assistant, and close the button. So this gives the chatbot a professional app-like feel. Below the header, we have chat messages. This is where all messages appear dynamically, both user and bot replies. JavaScript will inject content here in real time. So at the bottom, we have input container. User types their message here and click send or simply press enter. This mimics how modern chat applications work. Finally, we load the JavaScript file at the bottom. This is important. It ensures the HTML loads first before JavaScript starts manipulating the page. So let's move to the backend of our chatbot. So this file server.js is responsible for handling all chatbot requests. So we are using Node.js with Express to create a lightweight server. So first we need to enable the code so that our front end, the HTML file calls it securely. We also enable JSON parsing so we can read message sent from the chatbot AI. Also, we need to create the API key from the platform OpenAI to make this, and these mock replies create real AI behavior. So when the front end sends a request, as you can see, and that's it, a fully working AI powered chatbot. So for easy integration, you will find all the required code linked in the description below in the video. If you want us to build something like this or something far more powerful for your business, visit us at shuffle.com. Drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere. I personally reply to everyone. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who has been saying, I want to add AI to my website for the last 6 months. Now you have no excuse. See you in the next one.